Hi friends! Today we have the all-new Disney Sweet Seams dolls. These are surprise dolls, brand new from Disney. So we're going to go ahead and open them up today. They come in these cute little boxes. It says Sweet Seams. There's 12 to collect. It's a surprise doll and play set. And we're going to go ahead and open one up. Okay, so we just take out the plastic right here. And you can see that it has a little horn on the box. They all went tumbling over. Having a little bit of technical difficulties here. Alright. So here we go. Alright. So it comes in this nice little teal colored box. It has plastic wrapped around it as well. So we'll go ahead and we'll take that off.
What?
Don't mind that. This is Brian. I got mad at him because he's making too much noise around the house. So this one is Disney Princess and the Frog. And it has a cute little creature on top of the box. It's so adorable. Oh, so it says Sweet Seams, Princess and the Frog. Very, very cute. So we have another area to open up. So there's quite a bit of unboxing on these to get to the surprise. So we'll go ahead and we'll open this up. And we'll take a look at what we have inside. Whoa! She flew out of the box. Look! Oh, she's so adorable. It's a Princess and the Frog doll. And she's just like a little rag doll. Oh, look at her. She's so cute. She's got pretty hair. She's got a little flower on her head. And she also comes with a little play set inside the box. It's like a little kitchen set. That's very cute. And this, it's like a little cooking pot for her to cook on the stove. So Princess and the Frog, do you want to cook today? Yes, I want to cook. Let's make some frog soup. Okay, that's what we'll do. And it looks like we have a little oven here. The oven opens up. Oh, look. We even got surprises in the oven. Oh, that is so cute. It says Tiana's Place on it. And then we have some more surprises inside. We have, what could it be? It is a shoe. It's the princess's shoe. So I'm assuming that the other one is her other shoe. So we'll go ahead and we'll take it out. Aww. So we'll go ahead and we'll put our little shoes on. There we go. We got one shoe on. She's got quite a big tag on her back. I don't know about that. They could have done without such a big tag, but I don't know. It's a Disney trademark, so they have to put that on there. Okay, there we go. We got the princess's pretty shoes on. They look quite big, but still so cute. But yeah, see, there's these tags on the back. They're kind of large, but that's okay. She got like a little outfit underneath her dress. Very, very pretty. So we'll go ahead and we'll move on to the next doll. Okay, so doll number 2 comes in the same type of box. And I forgot to mention that she actually comes with these little stickers. Very, very cute. So you can decorate her kitchen however you want. So we'll go ahead, we'll unbox the second one. Comes in the same type of box. Oh, this one looks like it might be the Little Mermaid because I see a Sebastian on there. Oh, look on the back. It has flounder. It's so cute. Oh, so this one is a Little Mermaid Sweet Seams doll. It has a little seashell on the front, a seahorse. It's got Sebastian and seashells on the side. And on the back it has flounder and another seahorse and a treasure chest. So it's an under the sea theme. And she has her little fork. So very, very cute. So we'll go ahead and we'll open up this one. So the first one I kind of tore apart the box, but they actually just slide out, so it's a lot easier. And oh my gosh, I just love this one. She is so beautiful. Oh, it's the Little Mermaid. She's my favorite princess out of all the Disney princesses. It's Ariel. Oh, and her hair is so beautiful. Oh, I love her so much. And we have some more stickers here. And we have a little collector's guide. And she comes with a little vanity right here. It's very, very beautiful. And she has a mirror and a chair. So if you want to put her in the chair, I don't know how well she'll fit, but we could try. There we go. So we have Ariel sitting right there at her vanity. Isn't she so beautiful? I definitely love her. I think I like her the best out of these so far. So stay tuned for doll number 3. Okay, so for doll number 3, we have a box that has Tinkerbell and Ariel on it. So we will go ahead and see what we got in here. And again, each one is a mystery doll, so you never know which one you're going to get. And these are found on Amazon. They are very affordable. I can't remember the exact price, but I will put the links in the video description. And this one, it looks like it might be Tangled, just based on what's on the box. So we'll go ahead, I'll take a look inside. And this one, it is Tangled. And it has her little pan on there, her little lizard friend, and on the back it has some flowers. Very beautiful. So we'll go ahead and we'll take a look at this one. Oh, and it's Rapunzel. She's so beautiful. Oh, it's Rapunzel from Tangled. She's got long, beautiful hair, a nice pretty braid. She's wearing a pretty little dress. And she also comes with a vanity, it looks like. We have our collector's guide. And we have some stickers. And here is her beautiful princess vanity. And we actually have a surprise in here. What do we have? It's her shoes. Oh, yes, because Ariel, she doesn't wear shoes, so she didn't come with any. But that's okay. And we got a paintbrush because she likes to paint. And this looks like it could be her other shoe. Very cool. So I do like her a lot. So she has her little chair she could sit in. And her little shoes that just slide on her feet. They're a little hard to get on there. There we go. And we got her little paintbrush. It's actually not a vanity. It's more of an art station because she likes to paint. So we'll go ahead and we'll sit her in her chair right there. And she has her little paintbrush. We'll just put right there. So that is Rapunzel from Tangled. So on to doll number 4. Alright, and last but not least, we have the last Sweet Seams doll. It's in the same type of box with Ariel and Tinkerbell. So we'll go ahead and we'll open up this one. And this one looks like Aladdin. It has a little monkey on there. I haven't seen Aladdin in so long. I think his name was Abu. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it was Abu from Aladdin. I haven't seen Aladdin since I was a little kid, and that was a long, long time ago. So yes, it is Aladdin. We got the magic genie on the box. So we'll go ahead. I'm sure this is Princess Jasmine. Oh, look at her. She's beautiful. It's Princess Jasmine. Oh, she's so pretty. Look at her. I love her little outfit. And she's got some stickers that right here that come with her. Her hair is very beautiful. It's like, it's very shiny, like glittery. Very beautiful. I do really love her outfit a lot. So we'll go ahead and we'll take a look at what she comes with. And she has a little collector's guide right here. She also has a nice little princess vanity. And we have two little surprises here, which I'm sure are her shoes, just based on what we've seen for the other dolls. We have one shoe. And then we have the other shoe. Very cool. Okay, so we have our 4 dolls that we unboxed today. Again, these are the Disney Sweet Seams dolls. They are found on Amazon and they are brand new for 2022. Again, there's 12 different ones you can collect. So we have Jasmine, Rapunzel, Ariel, and the Princess and the Frog. They all come with stickers and their own little accessories. And then they each come with this handy collector's guide. So thank you so much for watching. And stay tuned for more fun videos. Bye!